Today we're going to be talking about cartridges. Boats. Military ammunition. Oh, son of a bitch, motherfucker. This is why you really ought to script things out before you just kind of don't plan your lectures. Don't just launch into them. I know what I want to say. I just don't know how I want to say it. And maybe I should script this shit. Yeah, at least I'm getting stuff for the Misfires. So first we've got, and I'm going to be holding things up for the camera, but don't worry, I'm also going to be including, close-up shots and photographs. It's not going to be just, can you see this little? No. Yeah. But first I want to just go back, and no, I don't. As a matter of fact, I have right here 4 different kinds of Springfield ammunition, and they're all exactly the same and yet not. I'm not doing so good today, am I? So they tried. This is not it. This is not good. I don't know what I'm doing. Do you know what I'm doing? Because I sure as hell don't. Moving on, we've got our... Oh, for fuck... God. Jesus. Stammer. Also, during the war, you had 54 caliber cartridges for the Lorenz. Jesus. I'm really not doing well, am I?